Class 12 Physics Current Electricity. We are solving NCERT textbook questions. Now we are going to see question number 8. In this question, it is asked a storage battery is being charged by a DC supply of 120 volt, and during charging, an external resistor is used of 15.5 ohm, and your EMF of the storage battery is given as 8 volt. Internal resistance R is also given. We have to find out, the question is your what is the terminal voltage during charging. The terminal voltage we have to find out. This is our question, the first part of the question. What is the terminal voltage of the battery during charging? During charge হৈ থকা অৱস্থাত এই যেটো ব্যাটারি আছে তার টার্মিনাল ভোল্টেজ কিমান। ইয়াৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ সিম্পল এক্সপ্ৰেশন যেটো জানা আছে যে চার্জ কৰি থকা অৱস্থাত টার্মিনাল ভোল্টেজ EMF কে বেশি হয়। That means terminal voltage is greater than the EMF at the time of charging, and that is given by symbol V equals to EMF plus IR. E equals to E is your EMF of the battery, which is given to you as 8 volt. I current in the circuit we are to find out and ulailom are internal resistance of the storage battery. So at first you see it is a battery of 120 volt and here it is your 8 volt. So that's why at first you see effective EMF or net EMF in the circuit. Let us write net EMF is equal to, so net EMF let us denote it by E dash. In this circuit net EMF কি হ'ব 120 volt, ইয়াৰ polarity চাবা পজিটিভ টার্মিনাল, ইয়াৰ পজিটিভ টার্মিনাল, যেটো চার্জ হৈ আছে ইয়াৰ পৰা কারেন্ট এনেকে ফ্লো হ'ব in this battery during charging. So that means your effective EMF will be 120 minus 8 equal to, and 120 minus 8, that is 112 volt. This is the value of E dash. Now let us calculate current during, you can say, charging. So current in the circuit during charging, that will be say I is equals to EMF, that is your E dash. EMF already আমি উলাই লৈছো, EMF E dash কিমান আছে 120 EMF divided by external resistance plus R, or you can say net EMF divided by total resistance, that is your external resistance R plus internal resistance of the battery is smaller. All these values are given. Now E dash is your 112 divided by, let us put the value, external resistance 15.5 plus internal resistance 0.5. এইটো তোমালোকে সিম্পলিফাই কৰি দিলে আনসার আহিব 74 এম্পিয়ার। তো কারেন্ট কিমান আছে 74 এম্পিয়ার। এতিয়া চোৱা টার্মিনাল ভোল্টেজ কি হ'ব। তো ইয়াৰ পৰা টার্মিনাল ভোল্টেজ V equals to EMF কিমান আছে 8 EMF আছে 8 plus current কিমান পালা 74, this is your 74 into again internal resistance 0.5, so here 0.5. I hope all these steps are clear to you. So if you simplify this, it will be your V তুমি পাবা, simplify কৰি দিলে এটো V value আহিব 11.5 volt. So this is your answer of the first part, where it is asked what is the terminal voltage of the battery during charging. So terminal voltage of the battery during charging is your 11.5 volt. Now in the second part it is asked that what is the terminal voltage, then what is the purpose of having a series resistor in the charging circuit. ইয়াতে এই সিরিজ রেজিস্টৰটো কিয় ইউজ কৰিছে ইয়াৰ ৰিজন এইটোৱে যে এইটো যদি ইউজ কৰা হৈছে জাষ্ট টু কন্ট্ৰোল দ্য কাৰেন্ট otherwise you can say or if this is not used the simple that means otherwise the current in the circuit will be very high so eta line tumaloke likhi dile hobo what is the purpose to use this external resistor in the circuit just to control the current otherwise in the circuit current will be very high I hope the solution is clear to you next let us take question number 9 that is your last question of HCRT as per your edited version now this is your question number 9 ইয়াতে কৈছে কি এটা কপাৰ কণ্ডাক্টৰৰ কথা কৈছে যাৰ লেংথ L ক্ৰস সেকশনাল এৰিয়া দিয়া আছে 2 * 10 to the power -6 ঠিক আছে কারেন্ট I 3 ampere কারেন্ট ফ্লো হৈ আছে and number of density of free electron small n that is density of free electrons it is given as 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 per meter cube question হৈছে যে এটা ইলেক্ট্রন ড্রিফট কৰোতে এই এটা এন্ডৰ পৰা up to this how much time it will take to drift or one in a simple এনেকে ভাবিলে হল এটা ইলেক্ট্রন এইবোৰৰ পৰা এইখিনিলৈকে আহোতে কিমান সময় ল'ব তো ইলেক্ট্রন with what velocity it moves with drift velocity that is your vd length is given to you the simple speed time distance formula তাৰ পৰা ওলাই দিব পাৰি তেতিয়া আমাৰ লাগিল কি drift velocity লাগিল তো drift velocity তুমি পাই যোৱা তেতিয়া হলে টাইম কিমান ল'ব আমি কৈ দিব পাৰিম তো first of all you have to calculate the drift velocity because as you know time will be what then time will be how much time it will take time will be distance by speed so distance মানে length কিমান আছে l আছে ইয়াতে ইয়াৰ পৰা ইলেক্ট্ৰন ইখিনি লগে আহতে কিমান ডিসটেন্স কভাৰ কৰি আছে l আৰু স্পিড মানে কোনটো স্পিড হ'ব that is your vd drift velocity so first of all you calculate the drift velocity for that as you know I equals to that's your drift velocity density of free electrons E charge of electron then density of free electrons and cross sectional area A this formula known to us so from here you can write Vd equals to I over E n A now we have to find out time let us do one thing time to drift of for one electron time to drift for one electron that will be same let us denote it by t equals to length of the conductor divided by vb what I have written here যেটা দেখিছো অলরেডি আমি তো এটা এটা কাম কৰো আমি আগতে ভ্যালু খিনি বহাই দিও ইয়াতে this implies t equal to so vd এর ভ্যালু ইয়াতে পুট কৰি দিয়া that will be your 1 by vd it will be reversed so t equals to মই লিখিয়ে দিছি বাৰু l by vd I by en a এটা সিম্পলিফাই কৰি দিলে আহি যাব তোমাৰ finally your ENAL by I. So time will be your this much. Now all these values are known to you. So if you put the values, let me write here. Charge of an electron that's known to you. Charge of an electron is your so now let us put the values here. Let me write here এটা ভ্যালু কিটা বহাই দিলে তোমাৰ আহি যাব তো ইয়াতে this implies t equal to charge of an electron 1.6 10 to the power -19 then n is given to you into 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 And cross-sectional area is given, all are in SI unit, 2 into 10 to the power negative 6, 2 into 10 to the power negative 6, whole thing divided by I, that is your current, and current in the conductor, that's given to you as 3 ampere, so it is your 3. Rest of the thing is your simplification, then you have to simplify this, and if you simplify, answer will come as 7.57 hours. This is your answer. And for your satisfaction, you can calculate this yourself or calculator Saba answer I was 7.57 hours. And this was your last question of the NCERT textbook. With this, we have finished all the questions. It is a simple 9 number of questions are there. In next part, we are going to take all the previous year questions which were asked from the chapter current electricity from your state board as well as CBSE. Thank you.